Si Hubby. Habibi. Ayan. Ang aking midnight snack. Literal na midnight snack because it's 12 o'clock in the midnight. In the midnight, sabi ko. Ang ganda.
Tawag yan.
Cheese tart.
Cheese
Char. Egg tart. Ang bango. So excited. Ilang minutes pa?
2 seconds.
2 seconds na lang!
Mahinay.
Tumutulog na. I'm so excited. Ebe. Let's try. Lambot.